Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be headed into Walmart for some amazing deals. I got everything at Walmart today for about $3, and I was really excited for all these amazing deals. We do have a money maker and some things that are just super duper low out of pocket. I was really excited about. So, guys, make sure that you are like, share, and subscribe this video. You're on my Instagram, your Facebook, and also check out the printable breakdown in the description box. So this very first deal on these little critters vitamins is going to be a small money maker. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up two of these little critters at $5.98 each. Our total is going to be $11.96 before any rebates or coupons. Then we'll head on over to Ibotta. Ibotta has a glitch going on. The $2 and the $3 little critters vitamin fusion, I believe it is going to come off. So both of those, that's $5 in rebates. And then when you buy multiples of these, there's a bonus for $1 back. So essentially, that's going to be $11 on a bonus when you buy two of them. So this is a really great deal. And what I went ahead and did was I picked up 5 because there is a limit of 5 on these. And I was like, you know what? I might as well just go ahead and pick up 5 because that limit there is going to help me get even more. Then, in addition to that, I was able to pick up these vitamins. If you buy one, I think you get a quarter. I know 50 cents isn't much, but I know with the rebate of Ibotta changing up the game where you can't use coupons, it is always awesome to stack the multiple rebates that you do have, so that makes it even better. All right, so we have a stock up price on the Summer's Eve's towels, the little cleansing towels. These are usually $1.72. There is a dollar rebate attaching, and so that will make these just 72 cents each. There's a limit of 5 on this, so you can go ahead and pick up 5 boxes for just 72 cents each. And that's what I did because this is something I don't necessarily buy often, but I thought, this is a great stock up price, easy peasy, don't need any paper coupons, so definitely gonna pick these up today. The next thing is going to be on the Suave body wash. The body wash is $1.88. We're going to head over to Shopkick with the skins and the kicks. It's equivalent to about $1.40. So this body wash is going to be 48 cents each. No paper coupons needed. If you are not signed up for Shopkick, please look in my description box for the referral code. Shopkick is easy to use, and a lot of times we can stack Shopkick rebates with Ibotta and Swagbucks as well. So this is the Dove bar soap. We're going to pick up one of these at $1.74. Then again, head on over to Shopkick with the skins and the kicks. It's going to be, I believe, $1.44. Taking off, so you'll get back $1.44, making this bar of soap just 30 cents each. Great deal on this. Anytime Shopkick has the bar of soap, I love to pick it up. So also, if you can't find the bar of soap on beside the Dove on the rack, always look in the travel section. They're there as well. The next thing's going to be on this Suave shampoo or conditioner. Now, after your rebates, it's going to be just 4 cents. So this is a really great deal. These are on rollback for $2.48 each. We do have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back, and that can be done up to 5 times. If you want to pick these up, I'm not going to do that. And then we're going to head on over to Shopkick. It's going to be with the skins and kicks equivalent to $1.44, making these just 4 cents each. So I thought it was a pretty good deal on some Suave, considering we don't have any paper coupons. We can't use paper coupons because of Ibotta. So yes, make sure you submit to Ibotta and to Shopkick, making these just 4 cents. All right, so this Biotin mouthwash is going to be a small moneymaker of 12 cents, but this is a pretty great deal. Now, the Biotin is $3.88. This Ibotta is for $2.50 back, and you can do this up to 5 times because it's a pretty great rebate on this Biotene mouthwash. So if you want to do this, you can get multiples, but I'm just going to pick up one. And then I have this $1.50 I printed off from the coupons.com website. Now, check your coupons app because you may have it. I did not. I think I've used it in the past and just do not have it. But yeah, you'll use the coupon for $1.50 and the Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back, making this a 12-cent rebate after both of them. So this is my deal of the day. Whatever your deal of the day is, please comment below because I would love to hear what your favorite deal was of today. So this is going to be on the Airwick, and I'm going to get these all the way down to 48 cents. Now this is a multiple rebate, 3-step process on these. So these Airwick rebates are $5.48. We're going to pick up 2 of them at $10.96. Then we'll submit to Ibotta for $1.50 on both of those. So you'll get $3 back on Ibotta because you're buying 2. Then you'll head on over to Swagbucks, and there is a Swagbuck rebate of 400 Swagbucks or $4. So you'll get that back. Then you'll submit your receipt to Fetch. If you're not using Fetch, it is the easiest app out there. All you do is scan receipts. So you'll submit your receipt to Fetch for 3,000 Fetch points or $3. So that's a high valued rebate. After your Ibotta rebate of $3, your Swagbucks of $4, and your Fetch of $3, it will be 96 cents for the both of them for both packs, or just 48 cents each. I'm hoping that this resets in my Ibotta gallery because I need to get some more of these for the holidays. Because Ibotta is changing up the game with how you're able to use manufacturer coupons with their rebate app, I do see an increase in using the coupons.com app for this instead of paper coupons. So this Arm & Hammer Complete Care toothpaste is $3.50. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate that can be done up to 5 times, and if this is a toothpaste that you do like, you can go ahead and pick these up, but I did not. After that, it's going to be $1.50 after you'll get back that rebate. Then we're going to head on over to the coupons.com app, check and make sure it's on there, and you'll get back $1.50. Now, I love the coupons.com app because you get the money back in your account, but the problem I generally have with it is sometimes I forget to scan the items and scan the receipt. Just always check it to be sure. But with Ibotta and your coupons.com app, your total of coupons and rebates is going to be $3.50, making this just 3 cents for this tube of toothpaste. Alright, so the only thing I did not take a picture of was the Palmolive Shake and Clean and the Palmolive Shake and Clean refill. So we're going to pick up 2 of these. Now the math is a little bit different. I think the actual bottle is cheaper than the refill, but if you were to buy both of them, the total is going to be $7.76. Now, because you're buying both of them, because you're getting $1.25 back on Ibotta, and then you're also going to get back and then you'll get the 30 cents on the actual starter kit. So $1.25 on the refill, 30 cents on the starter kit. And because you're buying both of them, you're going to get $1 back in bonuses. So your total in Ibotta rebates is $2.55. Then you're going to submit to Shopkicks, and with your scans and kicks for both of them, it's about 98 cents that you'll get back on Shopkicks. Then you'll head on over to Swagbucks, and you're going to get back $4 in Swagbucks because you're buying both of them. So with your Ibotta, Shopkicks, and Swagbucks, your total for both of them is 23 cents or about 11 or 12 cents each. So I think it's a pretty good deal because we didn't have paper coupons on these.